Pregnant people often struggle to access respectful and dignified care during pregnancy and childbirth. Reported issues range from general concerns about the quality of treatment and care to allegations of discrimination, unprofessional comments, and patients being denied their dignity and their consent for procedures. Pregnant people may also face challenges accessing different forms of education, care, and wellness services. This may be due to a lack of awareness, financial and time constraints, or difficulties finding childcare. The Village is a health and wellness center for positive and safe pregnancy, birthing, and postpartum experiences for all people. Inclusive, accessible, community-based education services will be provided to support and empower pregnant people and their families. The Village consists of 3 distinct components: a large physical space that co-locates diverse service providers and classes, an online platform for remote services, and finally, an advocacy network of like-minded organizations and individuals. The center will employ a full-time host to help clients navigate their journey and find the right services. Tenants and service providers will shift and grow based on user needs. Having services co-located and online will help raise awareness of the different options available to clients and allow them to bundle appointments to save time. The Village community is driven by deeply held core values that permeate all aspects of our work. We are particularly focused on providing services to individuals who experience marginalization. Partnerships are critical to the Village's success. An initial advisory group will be created with potential tenants, key health and advocacy stakeholders, and pregnant people in Toronto. Together, they will create the guiding principles of the center and inform the design of the space. The Village will disrupt the current childbirth industry by building a scalable, replicable model for empowering, accessible, and affordable co-located services for pregnant people. It will also save the healthcare system money by raising awareness of and demand for midwifery services and alternative choices of birthplace, both of which cost less than hospital births with doctors. Access to doulas has also been shown to decrease medical interventions during hospital births, further reducing costs. Service providers will benefit through cost reductions on shared amenities that come with a co-working space, a built-in client base for their services, and the opportunity to work in a values-based setting. Finally, through its network, the Village will also provide a new organizing umbrella to bring together currently fragmented advocacy efforts for respectful care and obstetric justice to amplify attempts to influence the attitudes and practices of obstetric care providers and hospital administrations. A portion of the revenue generated will go towards subsidizing a sliding scale for services and education opportunities and free childcare, both of which may improve access for low-income families. The Village will use a developmental evaluation approach to ensure that we are continually meeting the needs of clients and to assess our network and advocacy work as it evolves over time. The social return on investment can also be measured by tracking client choices and outcomes and comparing them to a similar cohort of pregnant people. By co-locating and promoting diverse pregnancy and birth-focused service providers and organizations, and advocating for the rights of all pregnant people, the Village fills an existing market gap for holistic, empowering, and accessible care and support services.